All right, so for today, you're going to take the vocabulary words, the 7 words and their definitions, and you're going to go to page 9 of your journal. So we're on page 9 of our journal. I got to get to my page 9. And you're going to write your vocabulary words on page 9, your words and your definitions. And then I have attached the vocabulary assignment for those that want to fill it out. For those that don't, on a piece of paper, on a Word document, you're going to write the word. So the first one is exponent. You're going to write out the definition. You're going to actually write out the whole definition. You're going to underline key words. You're going to tell me those key words. And then you're going to give me an example. And then you're going to do the same thing for the next word, base. You're going to do that for all of them. Please turn these in the assignments tab. I know if you can't figure out how to do the assignments tab, okay, then you can send it to me through a chat. That's fine. But if you can turn it in the assignments tab, it's a lot easier for me to grade them that way. So get that done. And then you have an assignment. It's a very short assignment. It's just 1 page. You're going to put some numbers in order. Sorry, numbers aren't there. This is my first copy without the stuff. You're going to use your greater than, less than, or equal sign. You're going to put these into scientific notation, and then you're going to put these in standard form. You can write on the paper and send it to me, or you can send it through the assignment tab. That is all you have. Some of you did not read yesterday's agenda. I need you to send me a message, a chat that says you understand that you have a test on Thursday. If not, I'm going to be calling parents and texting parents and letting them know. So please take care of that. Please be sure you're reading the agendas. That's all for today.